Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. It's me, Roman Zelenchuk. We're going to the store to get some Oreos, and I'm gonna be trying out some Oreo milkshakes. So let's do that. Just gonna get a couple Oreos. I'm gonna just get a box, to be honest. And I'll be back when I get to the supermarket. Alright guys, so we're just gonna go and get the Oreos. Excuse me, sir. You know where the whipped cream is?
What?
Whipped cream. Oh, thank you so much. How much? Half a cup of milk. 2 scoops of ice cream. I know I'm not using a scooper, but whatever. 6 Oreos. I'm gonna just grab them in one hand and throw them in the blender. 2 ice cubes, and you're ready to blend. On?
You want mix, right?
Yeah. Alright, next we need whipped cream. Oh shoot, why did you put it so bad? Some Oreo crumbs and then half an Oreo onto the whipped cream. Clean up the rest of the stuff and then enjoy. Hey guys, time to taste test it. It looks promising. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.